Hi, this is Mohawk Road broker at Remax Escarpment.
Hi, I'm Wendy Tanner, sales representative, Remax Escarpment.
We're here today at our newest listing at 672 Mohawk Road in beautiful Ancaster, Ontario.
This unique property sits on an almost 40-foot by 280-foot lot, and with this property, you have options.
Your options include having a Mohawk Road address, or a Hiawatha Boulevard address, or fixing up the existing home, or building a new home, and finally a potential to sever into two separate 140-foot lots.
The current family home features 2 + 1 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a fully finished basement with a separate side entrance, also a 1,600 square foot attached garage with an in-law suite with its own heat, its own electrical, and so much more.
Thank you for visiting us at 672 Mohawk Road in Ancaster, or if you prefer, Hiawatha Boulevard.
If you have questions about buying or selling, renovating or severing your lot in Ancaster, or if you'd like to book a private showing for this property, please give us a call. My name is Wendy Tanner.
And my name is Mohawk Road.
And we can be reached at 905-512-1846, or
watch more of our homes for sale videos on our YouTube channel. We're looking forward to your call.